Hello, you're welcome to Lucav-Howto, your hub for Geospatial data analytics. In today's tutorial, we want to provide a guide on how to generate sequential numbers dynamically using the edit tool. So as you can see on our screen, these are sequential numbers that we are generated dynamically using an edit tool. While on edit, you can see the attributes table, and also the point features were also dynamically generated just with a tool while conducting your editing. So why don't we go straight to the practical demo? So we have some empty feature classes. So these are empty layers. As you can see, there is nothing inside. Parcel. And just to let you know, I want to demonstrate with just point feature and the polygon. So the first thing we will try to populate the features. Let's go to our bookmark. There are some. So this is an estate. We will try to digitize roughly these buildings along the street. And then we will carry out the numbering. So create, and then I'll commence the digitization. Yeah, so these are the parcels we'll digitize. So it's very simple. Let's also go straight to digitize some points. So we also go to edit, and then we pick the points. Before then, let's just give it good symbology. So let's see, use City Hall. Yeah, let's choose a pretty color, flashy color. Yeah, so let's begin to digitize some points. Let's just pick some points. Right, what I will do now is to create a new field. I'll add a new field that I'll call unique underscore ID, and this will be a text. How do I generate the sequential numbers? I'll come to edit and go to modify. From the modify, I will type the name of the tool, sequence, and this is it. So when I click on sequence, it will save me and request for the layer name, which I called it parcel, and it has automatically selected the unique ID, which is, and the incremental number. We have the, we will pick the parcels, and then the start number, the start value will be 1, and then the incremental will be 2. So I want it to number 1, and then the next should be 3. So I will just click on this. So what I'm supposed to do is to ensure that this line intersects with every single parcel that I want to number. So I'll double click. After double clicking, you can see it has generated numbers, odd numbers for all the parcels along the left hand side of the street. I will do the same thing. I'll come here, maintain the ABC, come here and start from 2. I'll start from 2 and also hop by 2 digits also. So I'll hit from here and double click, and it has provided us with our numbers. I'll clear it. I will try to label it, and I will label it using the unique ID. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up till 21, 22. So it's very easy, simple. I'll also try to label the points. So to label the points, I'll still use this sequential numbering, and same way the values I want to label from 1, and also okay, so this I will change it to A, B, D, and I will start from 1 and increment by 1. So for point features, you have to click one after the other. Start with 1 and increment with 1. So I'll start here. Because points is difficult for you to actually intersect line with points except you snap to it. It is advisable to actually define the order by clicking one by one. So you can see sequential numbering complete. Let's take a look at the attribute table. As you can see, it has numbered them. The same way I will label it, and the label will be done using a unique ID, so you can see. So it's as simple as this, easy. So the downside to this method is that when you pause generating the sequential number, you will not be able to generate further when you digitize new features. So for example, let's add more parcels. So when I add these parcels, you can see that the pictures are not added. Let's see the last one. So it has not generated. So you have to continue. That's the downside to this tool. You have to continue to pause and generate new sets of numbers. So as it is, the only way we can do is to still go back to the modify sequential numbers, and then here we stopped at 21. I'll simply go back, pick my parcels, and then the stats will now become 22, and then I'll also increment by 2, click it, and click at the point, double click outside. So we start from, this is wrong, please. I am supposed to start from 23 actually. So I will start from 23 and increment by 2. I will click on this, double click outside. So 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. The same way, I will create this way. So I will start a new and then I will do the same thing. I'll go to modify, and then let me clear first because go to modify. So this is 18, so I'll start. My start value will now be 20, and then incremental will be 2. I'll click on this. So 30. So this is how to dynamically create sequential numbers while on edit using edit tool. And if you find this useful, then why not like, share our videos, and continue to visit our channel to get more intuitive and educative videos. Thank you.